With the Spanish Armada entering the English Channel, the English were beginning to panic. Beacon fires were lit, messengers galloped for London, and the country braced itself for the very possible threat of invasion. A large part of the English fleet was stuck in Plymouth, unable to get out due to wind and tide. The English army, if it could be called an army, was woefully small, lacking experience, and had to rely on being bolstered by the trained bands. Hardly veteran soldiers that could be relied upon to hold the line against the Spanish army, then the most feared fighting force in the world. The English were unaware of exactly where the Duke of Parma was meaning to land. The English did not think Parma would land in Kent, Parma's potential invasion area, and eventually decided to defend Essex. The Thames estuary had a broad channel with wide mudflats on either side. This wide expanse of water, leading into the heart of London, was therefore a very tempting target for the Spanish, once Medina Sidonia had combined with the Duke of Parma in the Netherlands. Back in England, amidst panicked improvisations, the Italian engineer Jambelli was tasked to construct a boom across the river at Tilbury, near the fort and where the English army was camped. A vast iron chain was supported by 120 ship's masts, each costing £6, which were driven into the riverbed. Each of those ship's masts would cost roughly £1,800 in today's money. As we can probably guess, with something built in such a hurry, the first flood tide broke the barrier.